mom called. She screwed up the video.
Can I please get on?
No.
Please.
No. You're not getting on it.
I'll never get to.
No.
Please.
No. Wait till you get a boyfriend. Not.
Now, do you want me to drink and motorcycle?
You're not getting on that bike.
Please.
No. No.
He's trying to show off and then he's gonna kill himself. He's freaking standing up on it. Oh, he was.
Fast, hey.
Yeah. You're not supposed to stand up. Can I get one up the
See
hill?
how fast it seemed like I was going.
Can you be really careful and just take her to the top of the hill?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't go up this fast.
Okay.
You can't go up this fast.
Will she burn herself?
Yeah.
No, here, you just put your feet on here.
I'm scared. I don't want to burn myself.
Is anything hot there?
Turn it off.
Look, no, look. Put your left foot
Jill,
here.
pay attention.
Look, put your left foot on here and swing your right foot over.
Where do I sit?
You sit right on there.
Please
Give me your phone. Give me your phone so I can take a picture. What's your passcode? Oh, it's on. What's your passcode in case I go? Okay.
Remember,
Okay, can I
left
grab onto
foot.
your shoulders?
Yeah, put your left foot here and swing your right around. And just sit down.
Wait a minute. I want a picture. Wait, I gotta get closer. I can't see through that shield.
Where do I hold on?
All right, you got my precious cargo on there.
Yeah.
You be careful. Take it slow.
Easing it up the driveway.
And then that's it. Don't fall off. Hold on. Was it fun? I heard you screaming. I heard her. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording.